Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will talk about integration of 4G Wi-Fi dongle with FortiGate 40F model. Okay. So in India, as of now, we have Airtel, Jio, and Vodafone Idea as service providers, and each of them is offering their own respective 4G dongles. Okay. In this slide, I have added the snapshot what each of the service providers is offering. Okay, as you can see. So, going to the next slide. Okay, so in this slide, I just want to give you a brief. So, although three service providers are offering their 4G dongles, but in this video, I will show you the configuration only for Vodafone Idea dongle. Okay, for remaining two providers, I will make a separate video. So, Vodafone dongle will connect to the 40 gigabit with USB cable and will terminate at the USB port at the rear side of the 40. Okay. And if you purchase the Vodafone dongle, you will get three components. One is the dongle hardware itself with battery and with USB cable. Okay. And this is just to give you idea of how actual connectivity looks like, how Vodafone dongle looks like in actual uh, world in real life. Okay. And this is how the dongle will talk to the firewall or will communicate to the firewall at the USB cable. And where we can the USB cable just beside the power port. Okay. So this was about the CPT, and just to give you the brief, what we are going to talk about this. Okay. So just to give you idea as well, why we use dongle with FortiGate, where the from where the use case comes. So sometimes what happens even when you use FortiGate or any of the FortiGate model at our home or at customer premises, there comes a requirement that for primary link we can invest and we can have an option for internet these lines or broadband or MPLS. Okay, but when it comes to secondary, we don't have budget. Okay, or we cannot afford to have a secondary line same as ILL or broadband or MPLS. So we look for cost-effective options. So while searching for those options, we came across one option that is 4G dongles. Okay, right now, in our country, 4G has evolved good. We have a good coverage. We have a good bandwidth. Okay, so it's pretty good selection to use this as one of the transport option for fallback. Okay, so this is where it use case comes to use the dongle. Okay, now let me take you directly to the firewall. Okay. So this is the firewall 40F and its software version is 6.4.6. Okay. So if you look at its interface page, you see only one LAN interface is configured. There is no WAN available. If I ping through the internet from here, there is no reaching. Okay, because we don't have any WAN port or WAN transport available to go. Okay. Similarly, just to give you idea more clearly, Facebook. Let's see. Okay. So none of the website we are able to reach from the firewall because we have, as of now, what the scenario is, we have the dongle connected to the firewall at USB port, but it is not configured. So we are not able to use it, and it is not reflecting here also on this interface page. So let's configure the dongle first. And the commands are going to be run here are very crucial. Please take a note of them very quickly. Please take a note here carefully. As soon as I run those commands, WAN interface, WWAN, it is not WAN, WAN, it's WWAN, W two times, then AN. So it is reflecting here automatically as a result of command which we have run in the CLI. Now if I double click on this, you will see it has got IP address. This IP, the dongle has get from the service provider via DHCP mode. Okay, let's name this interface. Let's define this role. So now we have the WAN available with us. WAN transport. Okay, let's first check the ping from firewall itself. Ping google.com. Yes, we are able to reach Google. Let's try to ping something else also. Ping facebook.com. Yes, we are able to reach this also. Now let's try to open the PC and see whether we are able to reach from LAN side, from user side to the Google or not. Ping google.com. We are not able to reach. That's the idea because we have not configured firewall policy. Okay, let's create one policy. Let's name it 4G VIMIFI test. Incoming interface would be LAN, outgoing interface would be WLAN. Okay, source, let's say all, destination, let's say all, schedule always, service all. Session is all. Okay, now again, let's check. We are able to clean Google from via file, from PC via file. So that means the configuration we have done for dongle is working. We have configured the firewall policy also properly. Now we are able to go to the internet using 4G Wi-Fi dongle as transport as one of the WAN link you can see in the local language. So you see my PC IP is 2.110, source is 2.110. Okay, so traffic is reflecting here. We are able to reach internet from firewall and from the local machine as well as same on the. So this is all of the configuration. This is all what configuration is required to make the dongle up to use it as a transport one of the WAN transport option. Okay, you can see the traffic is not reflecting. It takes time for the traffic to come in the forward traffic. Okay, not absolutely minutes, couple of say a minute, 1 or 2 minutes hardly it takes to reflect your all time. So you could see here now we are able to ping. Okay. So this is all from my side, guys, in this video. Very soon we will have videos for Airtel dongle and Jio dongle. Stay tuned to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.